Now, one of the major types of loose connective tissue is areolar connective tissue. It is called loose connective tissue because there are very few fibers in it. The fibers are very loosely packed. They are not densely packed, and you can see the two major types of fibers over here. Now, these are the yellow fibers that you can see, which are branched very profusely, and you can see these white fibers which are found in bundles and which are not that branched, and these fibers are referred to as the white fibers made up of collagen that provides a lot of strength, whereas the yellow fibers are the ones which provide a lot of flexibility and elasticity to the tissue. So basically, areolar connective tissue along with fibers, as you can see, it has a lot of cells. The most important cell is the one that actually secretes the fibers. It is referred to as the fibroblast. Not only does it secrete the fiber, it also secretes a substance which accumulates between the fibers and the cells, and this substance is referred to as the ground substance. The ground substance is also referred to as the matrix. It is made up of a modified carbohydrate or a polysaccharide, and this substance accumulates in the spaces between the cells and the fibers. It is basically the fibroblast cells. Now, these cells which have been labeled here as fibroblast is the one that not only secretes the fiber, but it also secretes the ground substance or the matrix. Some of the cells that you can see here are macrophages. Macrophages are phagocytic. They keep roaming around the connective tissue, looking out for germs. If there are any germs, they are eaten up by these macrophages. And then you have certain cells which participate in allergy. They are referred to as mast cells. And then you have certain WBCs called plasma cells, whose main job is to produce antibodies and to protect you from certain germs and invading pathogens. Plasma cells belong to a class of WBCs which is referred to as the lymphocytes. As you can see here, plasma cells are obtained by the differentiation of a class of lymphocytes which are called as the B cells. So it is the B cells on being presented, or if they encounter an antigen or a foreign substance or a pathogen, they will get activated and they divide and differentiate into these plasma cells. And like I said, the plasma cells, see these Y-shaped structures I'm showing you outside. These Y-shaped structures are nothing but the molecules which help you in combating a disease or a pathogen, and these are referred to as the antibodies, and they are secreted by the plasma cell. So like you can see, you have fibers, you have cells, and most importantly, a substance that accumulates between the cells and the fiber made up of modified polysaccharide, which is referred to as the matrix or the ground substance.